Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile information on JobStreet. But first, I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first, open the app. After that, click on the Me icon at the bottom of the screen, the last one. After that, click on the Manage Your Profile. And here you can see informations regarding your channel information or profile information, work experience, education, and you can add skills, language, and you can upload documents, and you can change your current status. So if you want to change one of these informations, you have to click on that pencil icon, and then you can change every information, and you can add some other skills and some other information about you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.